Question 5. Fifth root of 4 to the power 4x plus 7 equals to 11th root of 64 to the power 2x plus 7. We are going to find out the value of x, right? So we know nth root of a or a root of n can be write a to the power 1 by a. Same thing we can write 4 to the power against fifth root we can write 1 by 5, and here is the times 4x plus 7. Here is also same thing, 64 to the power 1 divided 11 times 2x plus 7. So this one we can write 4 to the power 4x plus 7 divide 5, and against this 64 we can write 4 to the power 3. So 4 to the power 3 times 2x plus 7 divided 11. Okay, so very simple. Now it's the main part. We know a to the power m equals to a to the power n. What does mean? It means once base are same, that time power will be equal. So we can write 4x plus 7 by 5 times 3 times 2, it means 6x plus 3 times 7 is a 21 divided 11. So this two fraction we can cross multiply, like 11 times 4x plus 7 equals to 5 times 6x plus 21. So what will be the value? 11 times 4 is a 44. Here is x. 11 times 7, 77 equals to 5 times 6, 30x, and 5 times 21, it's a 105. So here is a 44x minus 30x and 105 minus 77. So here will be 44x minus 30x, it means 14x. And here is a 15 minus 7, it's a 8, carry 1, 8, 10 minus 8, it will be 2. So now we are dividing both sides 14, so x equals to 28 divide 14, so it will be 2. So we can say our answer x equals to 2. Very simple. So after this we have completed number 4 and 5.